Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Do you dream of a life where you can make a living doing something you absolutely love? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of turning passion into profit. Get ready to discover the secrets to making money while doing what sets your soul on fire. Imagine waking up every morning excited about your work, not dreading it. Imagine having the freedom to set your own hours and build a life on your own terms. It's possible, and we're going to show you how. The first step is to identify your passion. What truly excites you? What are you naturally good at? What activities make you lose track of time? Once you've pinpointed your passion, it's time to explore how you can turn it into a profitable venture. Before diving headfirst, it's crucial to understand your market. Who is your target audience? What are their needs and desires? Is there a demand for your product or service? Conduct thorough market research to identify opportunities and potential challenges. A solid business plan is essential for success. Outline your goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plans. This roadmap will guide you as you build your empire. Your brand is your identity. Create a compelling brand story that resonates with your audience. Develop a strong visual identity, consistent messaging, and a captivating online presence. Build a loyal following through social media and content marketing. There are multiple ways to monetize your passion. Explore options like product or service sales, digital products, consulting, affiliate marketing, speaking engagements, and sponsorships. Diversify your income streams to build a sustainable business. Turning your passion into profit isn't always a smooth journey. Expect challenges and setbacks. Stay persistent, learn from your mistakes, and adapt to changes. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced obstacles. Turning your passion into profit is a rewarding journey that requires dedication, hard work, and a touch of creativity. By following these steps and staying true to yourself, you can achieve financial freedom while doing what you love. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Believe in yourself, take action, and create a life you love. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and leave your comments below. Let's build a community of passionate entrepreneurs together.